The Frienda car storage net bag provides a long, low-profile catch-all pocket that fits neatly along doors or side panels without getting in the way of passengers. Its framed mesh design combines a rigid plastic border with flexible netting, so it holds bulky items securely while still stretching enough for quick access. The use of sturdy polyester and nylon means the mesh resists tearing and sagging over time, even when it is used daily for tools, bottles, or emergency gear. Installation is straightforward with the included screws, allowing you to mount the organizers firmly in cars, trucks, sport utility vehicles, recreational vehicles, or boats. Once installed, these nets make it much easier to keep snacks, cables, small gadgets, and travel essentials off the seats and floor, helping the cabin feel tidier and more spacious. With 2 matching organizers in each set, it is simple to outfit multiple spots in a vehicle or share one with a family member who likes to keep their storage areas orderly.